Are you tired of watching everybody else start businesses while you stay stuck on the sidelines? That stops today because the world is changing fast, but opportunity is wide open if you know where to look. Introducing the 4 most profitable businesses to start right now, your step-by-step guide to building a business that thrives in any economy. You'll learn 4 booming industries with real buyer power. The $150 billion pet care industry where customers never stop spending. The $8 trillion health and wellness economy because people invest in feeling better every single day. Sustainable and eco-friendly products that match what consumers actually want. Social media consulting, turning attention into revenue for businesses that need digital growth right now. This ebook shows you exactly how to launch, price, market, and grow. Even if you're starting small, no guesswork, no confusion, just clear steps. You'll discover how to validate your ideas, build trust, package irresistible offers, and scale your income with systems that work while you sleep. If you're tired of overthinking and ready to build something real, this is your moment. Start your journey to financial independence with the 4 most profitable businesses to start right now. Your future won't build itself, but you can build it today.